look at what I'm doing to myself. Because of my useless girlfriend. I could be that idiot. I could be her. I'm banging myself.
What's going on here?
I want to die.
Oh boy! What do you think you're doing in my guest room?
I'm so tired of you calling me a broke guy.
Are you not broke? Are you not wretched? Poor men with motivational quote. If I not get today, I get tomorrow. Nothing good can come out of you. My advice is that when you commit suicide in my own guest room, why don't you go to the backyard and do it? So I will not even see you.
Look at what they are saying. They are very wicked and funny.
You're very wicked and funny. They will punish you. I'm gonna punish you already by making you to be poor. Idiot. Sure you say you want to die. My God will judge you too. My God will judge you too. Say you want to die. I will help you to rest in peace.
Very wicked woman.